Hello everyone, my name is Rick and I'm the member of the Forage Club and I have already take part in the project of the paintball last year in 2020 in Forage Club. And in the club I have taught students how to write the Chinese calligraphy and now I will show you guys some examples of the words that I taught in Forage Club. So in order to write the Chinese calligraphy, we need to prepare for the soft pen with enough ink, and we need to prepare for the paper and also the uh, something can put under the paper. And now I will show you how to write these four words. So the first word is called head. In Chinese means called 头, and in English means we call the head. It will write in this way. This is our first word. And the second word is called heart. In Chinese, it is called 心, 心, and in English means our heart, the most important part in the body. And the structure of the word is very interesting because we will write 3 points above the 横. The attention was the 3 points must above the 横 because the same meaning is everything we should be take care of and put it on our heart. And also the third word is called the 体. 体 in our Chinese meaning 体 and in English means 体 also means uh, the whole body of our uh, the whole body of our human beings. And the last word was called 手, and in 手 in our Chinese in English meaning is our hands. So these are the four words that I taught in the 4-H club. Okay, thank you guys very much.